Could you tell us how comfortable it is?
No, it's extremely comfortable.
It's extremely comfortable? Wow. Can we hear the buttons? How low are you? Those paddles are so cool. Are you gonna take a nap in here or what? This will be going on auction next. This thing is just beautiful. Race driven. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're gonna run inside the auction and see what that F1 car sells for. Driven by Lewis Hamilton, 2006 F1 is just remarkable.
Any more bids at 1.8 million? At 1.8 million now. Any more? Take another one. 2 million. Thank you. Your Formula 1 fan, sir. Luke Hamilton fan. 2 million. Why not? $2 million. And 2 more cars. 2 million. 1 pound. Any further offers at 2 million? Are we sure? $2 million. Are we done, ladies and gentlemen? For the McLaren at $2 million. $2 million. Finally, post-war Daphne, a large, huge car, over 4.5 meters.
Alright guys, me and Gage were outside just kind of taking a look at all the cars out here when we noticed this auction's at $7.6 million. It's still going.
0.65 is crazy.
That is nuts, dude. Here comes a Vector just rolling through. And the Pista. Pista rolled up and now the auction's at $7.8 million.
Do you think it touches
I don't know if it touches it. You think it might? You might see an $8 million auction. We thought it was insane when the 300 SLs were going for 1.2, 1.5 million. This is a 1957 Ferrari 625 TRC Spider.
That would have been the final.
Might be the final. This drove by us out here. So this is the staging area before they go on auction. This thing sounded incredible. There's honestly nothing I heard that sounds like it. These classic Ferraris are remarkable in person. Photos, videos cannot do it justice. It's 7.9. The auction's just right inside, but this is, you know, where a lot of people can stand around and view. You just see tons of people in crowds behind. Wow, sold. It just sold for $7.9 million. There it goes, 7.9 million. Oh my goodness. Most expensive car I've ever heard in my life.
That is going straight to the truck, straight to the trailer, going on.
We gotta wrap it in bubble wrap. The P1 started over there.
Let's go check it out.
Guys, green carbon P1, we gotta go look at it. Here it goes. 1.6. Looks like the starting bid was 1 million, already clearing 1.2. Auction's on, here we go. Alright guys, filming it from outside just does not do it justice. We're gonna go right to center stage. I need to see that green carbon under the lights. Magnus Walker. Can we get a photo? Sure, go for it. Magnus Walker! That's so cool, thank you. Cheers, mate. Cheers. My life is complete today. Oh my goodness.
The first customer P1, chassis number 2. Are we done? 1.6, I'll take
1.6
50.
million.
I'll take 50.
This thing is
My left,
gorgeous.
1.65. 1.7 million now. And 1. Are we sure? 1.7 million. 1.7. Thank you. Number 205.
There it is, sold. $1.7 million.
As a native Brit, I
Sothebys
am
auction is something
an XK
incredible.
150 restored to this level, and it's such beautiful colours.
Alright, now my phone's gonna die. We are leaving.
Without reserve, and it is not
This has been the coolest thing ever.